Hey guys, I'm right here, and I wasn't actually gonna start the video right now, but we are fighting a Staravia level
And you can fly on
18,
it.
and we threw a heal ball, and right now he broke free and killed my icons. Okay, well this guy is being a little rude to us.
Here,
He has
throw
killed
out
my
a sport
Drowsy.
ball.
Yeah, but I don't want him to die on me because you know the poison is gonna try to kill him. That's why I don't want him to die on me. But like right away, come on. How? No, now he's gonna die of poison. I'm sorry.
You received a feather.
What do I need a feather for?
I became
Ponyta goes to level 15. Yay. Okay. So, at what level does Ponyta evolve?
40.
Who the hell is that guy?
How does he look?
Wait up, let me just go cure my Pokemon, because all of them are goddamn dead.
2.
All of them.
Ponyta didn't even get a hit.
For real though.
GB Beast. Ponyta Beast.
Who's that? Who's
Oh, him.
that? Yeah, no.
He's an eater.
Okay. I saw someone over here. Who was it?
Next time, don't trust me with poison.
Yep.
I need you to make a tiger
Okay.
ball. Since then, those are my favorite Pokeball.
Okay, so we have finally made another one. Trying to figure out just like putting random balls in. Wow. Okay, so let's make a new one of these because it's probably gonna run out while we're at it. So let's just make one of these. Okay, there we go. Put it right there, and let's get to work. Okay, let's see here, guys. So let's see. Buttons. 1, 2. We have made 3 new timber balls.
Timer.
Timber.
So how
Timer.
do you want me
Okay.
to tell you how those work?
Yes, please.
So the longer you're in a battle, the better chance you have to catch that Pokemon.
Ooh. Well, let's go battle.
You
Damn
should
it,
look-
it's nighttime. I really need to get a bed. I'm just gonna stay in throughout the whole night. Okay, guys, so we are back. Let's see here. That's a level 11. So we're just trying to get some Pokemon for Squirtle.
9.
Okay. Suck.
You're sending out Drowsy.
Okay, I know. He might have been hit 2 times, but it's fine because he has withdraw. Those withdraw. Oh, come on.
Oh,
Okay.
so the damage will do less.
Oh.
I can do it. Because it's more.
It is doing less. And we were able to win because of that. You won the battle. Level 11.
5 more levels to go.
I'm actually just gonna go like cure this.
6. Kill it.
Come on. Oh yes. Can we catch it?
No. You already have one.
No, I don't.
Yeah. Do you remember? You have a level 6.
I one-shotted that guy. Okay. That wasn't actually an accident. I didn't want to one-shot him.
You have to.
Oh, look at this guy.
I like his Sam.
Bellsprout for life. Oh, right there. This one. Oh. Okay. Wait up. Squirtle. Take him out. Yeah, I've just been killed by a Bellsprout. I am sad. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go like run away and like cure all my Pokemon and put like, you know, Squirtle at the beginning so he can be the one that I throw out. So we're just gonna do some quick fights on the way there. Tackle.
Oh, you didn't tell them.
What?
You're looking
You're looking for a person that can, a Pokemon that can fly.
and catch him. That way
Squirtle
he can
game
fly
55.
around.
Yeah.
I've seen other YouTubers do it, so.
There it is. Our target. Our target has been spotted. Okay, so we're fighting a Pidgey. Do you think we can ride it?
No, I think it's too small.
Too small again.
I think you can only fly.
Pidgey painted 48.
Fly
You
on
won the
big
battle.
ones.
Yay! You received a raw chicken.
Rip Pidgey.
Rip Pidgey. We almost cooked him, but no, we are not gonna cook a live, dead Pidgey.
A Pidgey.
Yeah.
Advantage.
Okay, level 10, level 11.
You have a disadvantage, dude.
What is it?
He's a level. He's a grass type. You're a water type.
Yeah, there's the disadvantage.
Water is weak to grass.
Should I catch him?
Yes. Or if you don't want to. Nah.
I have a
you're,
really
you're
big
training.
disadvantage. Squirtle, no! Okay, Bonita, you have to finish the job. No, no, no. I just want you to tell whip.
That does nothing, dude.
Okay, then what else can I use? Flame wheel? No!
You receive seeds.
Ah, god damn it. I don't want seeds. I can get this whenever. Okay, we still have to find.
There's our target.
I know Squirtle can't fight. What do you think I am? Oh, that was simple enough. I could have just done that the whole time. Okay, guys, so we just found a Pokeball on the floor and we right-clicked it. And this is what we got from it.
Just don't move it. Check what it's for.
Okay. Stop. No idea.
Okay, maybe you can give it to a Pokemon?
Maybe.
I
Okay, let's see.
I
Maybe
don't
we can
know.
like. Oh, look at that. Okay. So I guess Squirtle has something else. That's cool. Okay. Not even sure what that is anymore. So I guess the bird wanted me to go home and stop trying because I literally was following it and I got home. So
And they don't know what.
the bird, a flying bird. Okay,
Oh, that was sad.
that was. I actually wanted to catch him badly.
Yeah, we're like, oh, and he missed all of them.
I did. He was like way too far up. This guy.
He had to get to a mountain to reach him.
Remember you. Okay.
What is that? Oh, it's a guy.
Is that a trader? Is he like those guys that wants to trade? Nope. Nope. What's that over there? Is that a flying type?
No.
Yes, it is.
No, it's just a little rat.
What the hell are these?
Strawberries. They're so cute. See, it's not a flying type. Plus, it's level 42.
It still looks pretty cool. But let's see here.
It's one of the most common Pokemon and annoying.
That guy.
Yes.
Who's that guy?
Oh, it's that guy. No. Dang. They look sick.
Okay, let's just fight this guy to wrap up the video. Ember.
Probably at 8 minutes.
Ember.
Play Muyo to finish it off. Oh, tail doesn't do nothing.
Oh yeah, sorry. Flame wheel. There we go. That was easy enough, wasn't it?
Oh, there's something over there. Oh, it's a hypno.
My Bonita got 407. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, my feet hurt.
Should we just go home?
What? I don't know.
Yeah, let's just go home empty-handed with a drowsy and an Ekans.
Did you just see that flying thing? It's on the ground. It's on the ground.
I hope you guys have enjoyed. The song says it all. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, leaving a comment saying I subscribed, and if you didn't subscribe, say I didn't subscribe, and stop. Kill yourself, kid. Stop playing Minecraft. And then you'll walk into my room and I'll say, get out of my room, I'm playing Minecraft. But I hope you guys have enjoyed. And peace out!